Good day guys, welcome where Maths is made easy with teacher Satya here. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to find the dimensions of the reduction shape when the scale factor is given. Make sure you watch the entire video to have a better understanding of this topic. Now let's get to it guys. Now before we go ahead and start finding the dimensions, let's understand what do we mean by reduction. So let's say I have a shape that looks like this. The reduction of this shape will look something like this. Alright guys, so reduction means it will look smaller than its original shape. Now let's go ahead and solve some question guys. Alright, in question number 1, what we have is the window has dimensions 104 cm by 89 cm and the scale factor is 1/20. Alright guys, so let's write down the length. So the length is 104 cm and the width is 89 cm, right guys? Now the scale factor in this question, which I would like to call SF, is equal to 1/20, right guys? And whenever we have the scale factor as a fraction, we will be converting it into a decimal, and 1/20 is 0.05. all right guys, now we are going to find the reduction of this shape. So let me write down reduction. Now the reduction length, in order for us to find the reduction length, what we do is we take the original length and multiply by the scale factor. So the original length is 104 cm, multiply by the scale factor, which is 0.05. So the reduction length would give us 5.2 centimeters if my calculations are correct. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing with its width. The original width is 89 centimeter. 89 times 0.05 will give us 4.45 cm. Right guys, so in this case the reduction dimensions will be 5.2 cm by 4.45 cm. Alright guys, now let's go ahead to question number 2. So in question number 2, we have the legs of this right angle triangle 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter, and the hypotenuse is 5 centimeter. Now we also know that the scale factor is 1/4 and 1/4 is 0.25. right guys, now let's go ahead and find the reduction for 3 centimeter, right? So 3 cm times 0.25 would give us 0.75 cm. Right guys, now for the base of this triangle we have 4 cm times 0.25, which is equal to 1 centimeter. And finally for the hypotenuse we have 5 cm times 0.25 is equal to 1.25 cm, right guys? So the side lengths of the reduction will be 0.75, 1 and 1.25 centimeter. Alright guys, and that is how we would find the dimensions of a shape when the scale factor is given. Now if you did enjoy this video, do not forget to hit on the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. Until next time guys, have a nice day.